Do you feel pooped out, stressed? Do you lose sleep at night worrying about your dog's health? Then please listen up, mask off, because this may be the most important message to get rid of toxin from your dog. If you're watching this video now, I know you love your dog's health dearly and you want to save them from all this itching and stinky smell, and you want the very best for them. That's why I'm so excited to share with you this revolution breakthrough, this technology that I've created 20 years ago to now share this secret with you. Really, when it comes to your fur babies' health and wellness, don't you want to see them clean and healthy? Nothing is better than my custom-made patented method and how to detox your dog. And guess what? You can do it yourself. It's compact minimal micro bubble system that uses no electricity, only the power of water. Talk about eco-friendly way, and the combination with my specially formulated all-natural skincare and shampoo exclusively made by Cocojor using the finest natural ingredient. We even created our own essential oil. And guess what? It's all do-it-yourself, and there's absolutely nothing else in the whole entire earth when it comes to giving the most effective skincare and a healthy pet. For the past 20 years, we are the only one who have the secret formula that is made with aloha. Hi, my name is Monica Shigenaga, and I am the founder of Cocojor, the ultimate pet spa system of the world. Did you know your pet is potentially exposed to over 85,000 toxins every single day? It's true. Nasty. Where do all these pet toxin comes from? Our pets are naturally exposed to the environment where there's just so much range of toxin. It can range from accidentally ingesting it, outdoor toxins such as the weed killer, chemicals on the grass, even motor oils on the street. Indoor toxins such as fresheners, laundry chemicals, cleaning product, drinking water. The list goes on. Plus the toxin that's already produced in your dog's body, such as their GI imbalance and the micro dysfunction. All of this comes into play. And guess what? It all equals to a lot of things that's happening inside the inside that we can't see. Instead of paying all these expensive vet bills, waiting in line, trying to make an appointment, and most of all, a fortune in these medication. But guess what? Now there is so much more easier way to do it. Well, let me show you. In our brief demonstration on how amazing this compact minimal micro bubble system works. How do you detox a dog, right? Well, our patented shower head. Yes, that's right. You're asking. Anybody knows how to shower a dog. which is true. But it's how to use the water and how to shower your dog. It all comes down to our patented shower head. Both regular shower as well as micro bubble shower. This is the 100% all natural way to detox your best friend from the inside out. You get to see how gently washing away bacteria, yeast, allergen, and buildup in the sebum using just water without any harsh chemicals. No medication is needed. No more spraying things around their body that you don't even know what's in there. Stinky air. Well, this is going to be a pure enlightenment way to do it all natural. Really. Think of the skin as an organ. In fact, the skin is the largest organ of the body of a dog, accounting up to 20% of the dog weight. And you need to move the inside of the organ like yoga by hitting certain trigger points, hitting certain meridian line like acupuncture, which opens up the chakra and energy level of your dog. This is the real way of getting the toxin out of their body. So you can put in oxygenation, the blood circulation will start to move, and at the same time, we are replenishing the skin with fresh water that goes deep into the skin that acts like a third kidney. Why? Why it works? Because our patented Miracle Micro Bubble Machine is 1/1000 that goes deep into the skin and take out all the impurity out. So that's how you can say aloha to all these body odor. And most of all, you get to connect with your fur baby with unconditional love. And because it's your do-it-yourself, you can save time, money, and say goodbye to those expensive things that we've been giving to our dogs. Well, wait, that's not all. Just imagine no more expensive vet bills. Trying to see if you can get an appointment for every time there's some kind of eruption. This is one great way to do preventative care. How? In the shower. We made it where you can bring it into your own shower, as well as if you have an existing business or want to start a new business. This is how we can do it. Because we're going to be giving you the turnkey way of how to do it. Easy. Expensive medication, poor dog health, no more balding of the fur, and most of all, no more unhealthy pet. That's all. You can be spending literally tiny bubbles in the shower with your baby. You get to start to move all the toxin out of your dog's body from the inside out. And guess what? It will come out naturally. You'll be amazed on how the overall smell of your dog's body odor. Why? Because it's simply going to go out from besides the skin, and you can see how gross all the toxin is going to be coming out. But it comes out from, guess where? The poop and the pee. How much more simple can that be? And that's just the tip of the iceberg. But it even gets better because if you're interested, I can even show you how to make this into a lucrative part-time or full-time passive income that will pay you handsomely by offering these amazing all-natural ways. Because you know why? You're going to be so amazed and so passionate about Cocojor all-natural miracle micro bubble courses. It's open for individual as well as for business. If that's really something that sparks your interest and you're excited to learn more, I want to personally invite you to a free private video webinar training where I can able to cover more of this. If that sounds great, this is what you should do next. Click the link you see here, and you'll be taken to a page that shows you simply to just enter your name, your email address, and you'll get instant and immediate access into our private video training. It's simple. And did you know that 70% of veterinarian visits are really due to skin issue? Yep. But this amazing compact miracle microbubble system can help you and your dog in many different ways. Even you can use it because it's in the shower and you're only using water. It can help with so many different skin issues besides your dog, but for yourself as well too. And best of all, you'll be using a natural and holistic approach so you can naturally detox your dog, learn anytime at the comfort of your own home. As long as you have internet connection, you can do it 24/7, 365 days at your pace. And guess what? Your dog can join you while you learn and earn. This way, it'll be a happier, healthier, and overall experience and a better well-being. Isn't that what you truly want for you and your pet? Then what are you waiting for? Click the link to learn more, and you'll be so glad you did. Because why? It's a turnkey solution. It's really eco-friendly, and using the power of water and learn how to detox your dog from the inside out, saving money, earning money, and why, most of all, you are in 100% in control to bring relief to your beloved pets. So, I can't wait to see you on the next screen in our webinar. And most of all, you take care and say aloha to the Itchy Stinky Dog. And most of all, we're going to be giving you a free guidebook to the Itchy Stinky Dog. So I look forward to seeing you in the webinar for more details and how exciting this system will be for you, the modern day pet owner, as well as the new entrepreneur that you can create. Stay tuned, and most of all, aloha.